Alright, in this video we are working on a 2005 Nissan Sentra. As you can see, the front engine mount is cracked here, which is causing some excess engine movement and vibrations. There's a long way and a short way of doing this front engine mount. In this video, we're going to do it the long way because accidents. If you want to do it the long way, you can take these two bolts off, holding the bracket to the motor. But if you want to do it the more logical and easier way, you can just take off the 3 bolts to the engine mount. All of the bolts shown are going to be 15 millimeters. You'll need a jack of some sort to adjust and hold the transmission. In order to get to the cross bolt much easier, this cover is being held on by 4 push clips and one 10mm bolt. Once the cover is removed, you can go ahead and remove that cross bolt from here. But since we're doing it the long way, we'll be doing that later. I'm not really a fan of aftermarket engine mounts, but for something this age, you kind of have to. So your mile may vary depending on what brand you buy. When mounting the engine mount to the bracket, make sure the arrow on the mount is pointing towards the front of the car. Before I tighten the crossbolt, I'm just going to lower the transmission. That way the engine is settled before I tighten it. It's not as bad as before, but there's still a lot of play in my opinion. You never know the quality of the engine mount really until you install it. And hey, this is just part of the aftermarket world. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.